Okay, welcome back. So I know we just moved all of the information from the winter budget here to the spring budget, and we changed the dates, March or the months, March, April, and May. And the next thing I want to do is change this information here. We have the food information has changed. So I want to move that or not move that, I want to enter it in. I need to change it. Oh, look at this. These have stayed the same, 419, 380, and 390. So let's change this to 372. And then close. Spent a lot less on close that month. Let me zoom in a little bit. Click on the plus sign so you can see what I'm doing. Oof, let me move this up. Close, and then we have 110, 41, and 101. Let me change those. There we go. Okay. So I want you to change those too. And then pause, and when you're finished, start the video again. Uh-oh. Hey, wait a minute. I have a problem. Not that problem. When I copied and pasted, I made some mistakes. First of all, I have an extra row here. Then I have March, July, and then June. Well, the first thing I need to do is get rid of this empty column. So I am going to click here. Notice this turns into an arrow pointing down. I click on that. I right click and I click delete. Okay, now that looks better. Now I have a new problem, March, July, and June. So there's a way I need to get out of this, around this. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put a extra column. So I'm going to click on C. This arrow goes here. I click on C, right click, and I click insert. See, look at that. There. Now this just showed up. Let me do this again so you can see how to do it. So I right click and I click insert. All right. And then, by the way, speaking of inserting, so let's put this. If you go here, food, you can also, if you click here, you can right click and insert. Look at this. You inserted another insert another row. You can insert rows or you can insert columns. Now let me undo. Let me go up here, undo. Okay. So once again, right click. So you point at it, you see the arrow pointing to the right. Right click and click insert. Ta-da, there it is. And it will appear above the row. Let me undo that again. Okay. The next thing I would like to talk about is cut and paste. Okay, cut and paste. So I have this empty thing here. I got July, June. I want to move June over to here. But I don't want to copy it. I don't want to have two Junes. I just want to have one June. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click. Then I'm going to cut. I'm going to click on the scissors. Boom. Then June. I'm going to move the arrow to over here. Then I'm going to click paste. Look at that. The June disappears. And it moves back, it moves over here between March and July. So let me do that again. Let me click on here, and then I'm going to click cut, not copy. I click there, and then I click paste, and then June disappears from where it was and goes to the next spot. It goes to the spot I want it to. Let me see what my time looks like. All right, I have two questions for you. Why would you want to insert a new column or row? And why would you use cut instead of copy? So pause this video and then check the answers. Now you would want to insert a row because you made a mistake or you need to create more space or add more data. Why would you use cut instead of copy? And the answer is you want to move data. You don't want to copy it, you want to move it. All right, so that ends this video.